So this is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron, 4 faces. When you have a tetrahedron, in that case, suppose it is mentioned it's a fair and unbiased die. So tetrahedron die, so we can now say the probability of getting a 1 is 1 out of 4 because there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the probability of getting a 2 is 1 out of 4. The probability of getting a 3 is 1 out of 4. The probability of getting a 4 is 1 out of 4. So now it's pretty clear that every probability is the same, just like before. So in a tetrahedron die, suppose they're telling you the same type of a question. So what is the probability that you're throwing it twice, and find the probability that the total would be 3. So you know the same concept, total 3 means 1 and 2 or 2 and 1, but the only difference is that this time the probability is going to be 1 by 4. So probability of 1 is 1 by 4 and is multiplication. Probability of 2 is 1 by 4. Same thing has 2 permutations. You do 2 into this, so this is going to be 1 by 8 is the probability. So that's the idea of a tetrahedron die.